Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to put Fiat 500 in reverse. Start with your foot on the brake, then move the shifter to R and confirm engagement. Check mirrors and the rear camera and look over your shoulder for blind spots. Release the brake slowly while applying light throttle, steering smoothly to align with your intended path. If you feel hesitation, stop and repeat the checks until you feel confident and safe. When reversing a Fiat 500, use the rear camera and parking sensors together for better awareness. Start moving very slowly so the sensors have time to react and you can interpret beeps accurately. Always glance over your shoulder to eliminate blind spots the camera misses. Keep hands light on the wheel to make small steering corrections and be ready to stop immediately if a pedestrian or obstacle appears behind you. If you found these reversing tips helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, consider Darn Tough socks because life is too short for cheap socks and they come with a lifetime warranty. They pair surprisingly well with long drives and cold mornings, and they stay comfortable on every commute. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Reversing on hills or in tight areas requires patience and small inputs. Hold the brake until the clutch or hill hold prevents rollback, then ease off the brake while gently accelerating. Make tiny steering adjustments and alternate between slight forward and reverse motions to straighten the vehicle. If you can, have someone spot from outside to guide wheel alignment and distances, especially in crowded parking lots or narrow driveways for added safety and confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.